Be means to exist or live. Example, be happy. Have means to own something. Example, I have a car. Do means to perform an action. Example, I do my homework. Say means to speak words. Example, she says hello. Go means to move from one place to another. Example, I go to school.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the video and want more such videos.
Get means to receive something. Example, I get a gift. Make means to create something. Example, I make a cake. Know means to have information. Example, I know the answer. Think means to use your mind. Example, I think about you. Take means to carry something. Example, I take a bag. See means to look with the eyes. Example, I see a bird. Come means to move toward a place. Example, come here. Want means to wish for something. Example, I want water. Look means to focus your eyes at something. Example, look at me.
Use means to do something with an object. Example, I use a pen. Find means to discover something. Example, I find my keys. Give means to provide something. Example, I give you a gift. Tell means to say something. Example, I tell a story. Work means to do a job. Example, I work every day. Call means to contact someone. Example, I call my friend. Try means to attempt something. Example, I try again. Ask means to request information. Example, I ask a question. Need means to require something. Example, I need help. Feel means to experience emotion. Example, I feel happy. Become means to change into something. Example, I become strong. Leave means to go away. Example, I leave the room. Put means to place something. Example, I put the book here. Means to have a meaning. Example, this word means something. Keep means to continue having something. Example, I keep the money. Let means to allow something. Example, let me go. Begin means to start something. Example, I begin my work. Help means to assist someone. Example, I help my friend. Talk means to speak. Example, I talk to my teacher. Turn means to change direction. Example, turn left. Start means to begin something. Example, I start my day. Show means to display something. Example, I show my house. Hear means to listen with your ears. Example, I hear music. Play means to have fun. Example, I play football. Run means to move fast. Example, I run the park. Move means to change position. Example, I move the chair. Live means to stay somewhere. Example, I live in a city. Believe means to think something is true. Example, I believe you. Bring means to take something with you. Example, I bring food. Happen means to take place. Example, it happens today. Write means to put words on paper. Example, I write a letter. Sit means to rest on a chair. Example, I sit down. Stand means to be on your feet. Example, I stand up. Lose means not to have something. Example, I lost my phone. Pay means to give money. Example, I pay the bill.